8 easiest ways to make money online daily. Work from home. Have you heard that 3.9 million people in the United States now work from home? Yes, that's a fact. The ideal career choice for most people would include working from home, a recent development that began to trend post-pandemic. Why not reach your financial objectives while enjoying the flexibility of working from home? Here are some of the simple methods that you may use to create money on your own time. Hi, I hope you have a great time here at Lunch to Freedom. If you want to understand the ins and outs of making money online regularly from the comfort of your house, this channel is for you. First thing first, you'll be pleased to know that those who stick around until the end of the video will be eligible for giveaway prize. After watching the video, leave a comment on this page to be nominated to win the reward. Click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell to get the alerts. To claim your reward, just send an email from the same Gmail account you used to leave a comment on the video to lunchtofreedom@gmail.com. Let's get going then! This might be the beginning of a new path to financial independence if you have never tried earning a few extra bucks from home. You could find your at-home work schedule so satisfying that you may choose to make it your primary occupations rather than settling for a subservient one. Get as much information as possible about working from home in a style that interests you before you go out on this adventure. I'm going to provide you with 8 fantastic suggestions for making money online every day. So make sure you get through the whole post and fully grasp the qualifications necessary for each opportunity. Number 1. Launch a channel on YouTube. You too can become a YouTube millionaire if others have done so. Did you know Jimmy Donaldson, aka Mr. Beast, who posts videos on strange acts on his channel, is the highest paid YouTuber, raking in $54 million only last year? The idea is to stick to one topic exclusively to attract a dedicated following to your YouTube channel. Makeup lessons, live streaming video games, product reviews, skill demonstrations, prank videos, and anything else you can imagine have potential audiences that you need to funnel in. Making money on YouTube comes down to satisfying users' interests. Use catchy titles and meta descriptions to get your videos seen. As soon as you have 1,000 subscribers, you will be able to start earning money from YouTube commercials. Number 2. Become an influencer. Making money online is just a positive offshoot concerning ways to develop your unique brand. Did you know that, on average, soccer star Cristiano Ronaldo costs $880,259 for a sponsored Instagram post? Even small-scale or local influencers covering local news and gossips can earn more money now. Therefore, creating your brand and selling it effectively can bring in the dollar. It would be wrong to assume that only reality stars, musicians, and sportsmen are the only people who can make a living via their online presence. You need a sizable fan base if you ever want to get to the influencer level. What are the greatest places to begin? Instagram and TikTok. This is where many ordinary people who became influencers first encountered the spotlight. Making money as an influencer can involve a wide variety of activities, including but not limited to charging for sponsored posts, selling photos, advertising, and so on. Number 3. Launch your blog site. One of the first ways to monetize your interest presence was via blogging. Those who like writing often create blogs and cater to a certain audience. Shopify and WordPress are only 2 of the many blog hosts available. The vantage point with launching your blog site is to research well and narrow down a small set of highly targeted keywords. As your readership and influence develop, you may shift gears to include additional related topics. Over time, this will help you to pull in a lot of followers. Keep in mind that the visual appeal of your site plays a significant role in establishing rapport with potential customers. You may earn money from your writings by intelligently inserting adverts to your blog entries. A blog may establish credibility and authority, leading to paid gigs and engagements, media appearances, and even lucrative client contracts. Number 4. Think about going freelance. Taking your regular 9-to-5 positions and moving it online is the simplest method to earn money from home. If you have marketable expertise like writing, administrative assistance, graphic design, teaching, programming, etc., online customers may be eager to pay you to utilize your skill. Freelancers may choose from a seemingly endless number of online job boards. If you cannot discover a direct use of your expertise, you may always look for ways to make money from other abilities you already possess. Building a solid portfolio is the first step to making money online as a freelancer. You may have to start by working for free for a few solid middle-tier companies. Building a solid portfolio is the first step in attracting high-paying customers and expanding your online income-generating potential. It's important to remember that finding freelance work is a numbers game. The more targeted your emails and applications are, the better your chances of getting a response. Number 5. Start a writing career. As interest in content marketing rises, more businesses are looking for talented writers to augment their websites with engaging material. Success in writing comes from zeroing down on one particular subgenre. You need to specialize in standing out as a writer and attracting customers in your sector. Knowing the ins and outs of a certain field of expertise allows you to write from a unique angle. Because of this, it's clear that you're not just repeating the views of other bloggers. That's exactly what companies want to hear from you: your insights, stories, and expertise in a specific field. Do not forget to provide relevant examples of your writing when applying for writing employment. If you don't have anything to show the hiring manager, they have no way of knowing how well you grasp the particulars of your niche. Submit your resume to jobs that might benefit from your expertise. Number 6. Make a mobile applications. Looking at this potential source of revenue without programming experience may leave you feeling frustrated. However, someone with programming expertise can create an app for you. You need to just think up a fresh concept for an app, zero in your ideal customers, and establish a name for your company. The hired programmer will handle all development-related tasks. Having your software available on both Google Play and the App Store will give you the greatest chance of generating revenue. You may monetize free software by including advertisements or paid upgrades. It will be simpler to upsell free software users as it will attract more individuals. Number 7. Start a career as an online instructor. Becoming an online instructor is a great way to generate money and work when it's convenient for you. Honing in on a job as a tutor improves with a degree in the related field. You may be considered for an online tutoring, teaching, or mentoring role if you have experience in a presentational role in the past. There is a great need for tutors in the STEM fields, but English is also widely spoken and respected worldwide. Tutoring may be an excellent way for those knowledgeable about a particular subject to quickly and easily monetize their expertise. Number 8. Put your money in stocks. Investing in stocks is another way to quickly amass wealth. You should probably forego this potential source of income if you aren't a stock market specialist. It is one of the largest potential returns, but also one of the highest potential losses for the financially inexperienced. If you have a regular 9-to-5 employment, it may be wise to investigate any retirement plans your employer offers. Stocks are becoming increasingly popular. Although there's a risk involved, there are ways to effectively reduce the risk factor and earn a stable profit. This means that you can start slow, and as you acclimatize yourself in this field, you can choose to make larger investments as you go along. Making money online may help you not only get by in tough economic times, but also allow you to quit your day job and pursue entrepreneurship full-time. You may take another step towards creating a life that you love by pondering online company ideas and deciding to launch a web-based venture that will allow you to earn money from home. Making a livelihood online is feasible when you put in the time and effort. Which of potential avenues for financial success will you explore first? Let us know in the comment section. Thank you for visiting our channel. Like and subscribe if you are interested in discovering fresh internet income opportunities daily. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts by commenting below. Everyone who likes, subscribes, clicks the bell icon, and leaves a comment below on our video will get a free copy of our financial blueprint book. To pass the time till then, check out some of our other videos. Many thanks to everybody who has watched.